Assalamualaikum.
A very good morning to everyone.
We are from Group 1.
Hi, my name is John.
Yes.
Hi, I'm Aris.
Hi, my name is Ridwan.
Hi, I'm Shu.
Hi everyone. I'm going to talk about history of CPU. Here got a processor, and device for computer program, and EDVSC. I'm going to talk about the CPU meaning. CPU is the electronic security within a computer that carries out the instruction that control an input, then carry out the output. And furthermore, a device for computer program like a microprocessor and some Intels. Then continue the EDVSC. Early computers such as EDVSC to be physically defined program to perform different tasks, and which cause this machine to be called fixed program.
Hi, my name is Harisa Ryan Gazman, and now I'm going to talk about function of CPU. This is a sum of the function. One of it is CPU can interpret instruction. When you put data into the computer, you need that data as a series of electric impulse that is converted into ones and zeros. Then create commands for the computer based on your request. The CPU also interpret data from all the other components inside the computer as well. Next is memory. The CPU needs to access information quickly. So one of the things that does to help speed up its own processing to store important information in either RAM, memory or CPU cache for quick retrieval. If you are working on something that requires constant access to the hard drive, the CPU will store those instructions in the system RAM, memory or the CPU cache so it can access the information quicker. Next is delegation. After the CPU receives data or instruction from any parts of the computer, it must determine what action is to be taken based on the data. If an instruction requires an image to be shown via the video card, the CPU must send the instruction to the video card to show the image. And after receiving data, CPU will then determine which part of the computer needs to act on the data received, and the CPU will allocate the necessary information to the part of the computer.
The perfect accuracy and high performance and response rate, which in result provide the users with the high throughput output rates and also reduce time in executing the programs by the processor. The Intel i3 processor is fully equipped by the latest HD graphics with powerful and advanced video engine that provides smooth, high-quality display along with the 3D graphics capabilities on the whole i3 processors can be considered as a high graphical and multimedia display processor for daily computing. i3 processors are smarter, faster, and more adaptive in all kinds of networking schemes. They can be used with any of the hard disk configuration. They are also famous in the markets by the name of desktop processor because of the great quality resolution. They have integrated components on the motherboard, also makes i3 processor unique in their architect and circuit installations. Processing unit is the first. Dual core processing has the ability to run two independent programs with one hardware. Second is i3 processors have improved Pentium-based. They have totally new architecture with more integrations and high-speed performance structure. The hyper-threading technology also enables users to enjoy the high speed and better performance with more reliable outputs. It has 4 programs at a time. Smart memory and cache sequence allows users to enjoy the optimized and efficient data access. Both direct and sequentially effective shortcuts have reduced the access time of the file and system unit, which are Apple, Asus, Dell, HP, MSI, NVIDIA, and Qualcomm. Next, my title is Basic Feature of i5 Processing Unit. The first, basically i5 processors are introduced to do the intelligent networking and enhance the performance of the working for the set of different purposes such as gamino, faster processing, reliable data transmission, and furthermore. One of the important features of the i5 processor is that it automatically manages the power supply where needed and does not break the speed and the performance of the system. i5 processors also allow the user to enjoy the heavy applications with the higher rate such as HD video composing music, and many more. i5 also provides the opportunity to the users to use the system with multitasking. i5 processors are also able to increase the memory of the system and help users to work with the high bandwidth and great performance. A big feature of the i5 processor is that they have ability to run 2 multitasking processors together. They are generally called as dual processor and can increase the working performance of the system efficiently. Turbo Boost technology of i5 processors is the key beneficiary feature of the i5 processors that allow the user to do their regular and important working with the help of heavy application. Advantages of using i5 processing unit. First, providing high quality visualization for advanced applications. Second, high performance with the help of dual processor technology. And the last, high HD graphic enhance the video graphic and applications related to the same architecture. There are few examples of using i5 processing unit as Apple, Asus, Dell, HP, MSI, NVIDIA, and Qualcomm.
Okay, now it's Intel 7 and Intel Core. Here are the function and feature. Function of Intel 7 are it's going move fast the computer and computer move smooth within the programs. When you open the programs, it's move and ensure faster. And the feature, it got a lot like AMP smart caches and some of the performance. Now everyday computer tasks can happen faster and we can edit photos and videos smoothly. And feature also got move between programs and tasks easily. Better still, the performance of Intel 7 now is more better than Intel 5 and 3. Performance comes that the battery can still stand still 5 hours above. So you can take your laptop everywhere. Where you go, you no need to worry the battery. Besides that, you can play some games like Dota 2, and it's quite good and most demanding games like Dota. You can enjoy sharp and more 3D of the games. Besides that, it got Thunderbolt 3 technology. Remove the burden of multiple cables and get one compact port that does it all. Power your PC and transfer data.
Hi, assalamualaikum everyone and very good morning. Today I'm going to talk about
Advanced
micro
Device,
device or
AMD.
AMD.
Mula.
Alright, now I'm going to talk about i9. i9 is like Intel was just launched about 2 or 3 months ago, and basically with no PC, it is a i9 chips. And here's some of the features of the i9. One of it is it's suitable for 4th generation and 5th generation Intel core, and it has flexible input and output port section, and also with storage power saving and else. Yeah.
Hello everyone, this is history of AMD. AMD is basically an American semiconductor company which provide processor and related technology like motherboard, chipset, embedded processor, graphic processor, personal computer games, console, and many handheld devices. However, if you compare with the world leading processor supplier like Intel, come in second place. AMD was found in 1969 in Sunnyvale, USA. It was considered to be the second largest supplier of 86-bit architecture and third largest supplier of graphic processor.
Okay, hello everyone. I'm going to function about AMD. Okay, first, AMD is second largest maker of personal computer microprocessor after Intel. It offered computer manufacturers as lower cost alternative to the microprocessor from Intel. Make flash memory, integrate secret circuits for networking device and programmable logic device. Okay, next we're going to main product for AMD. For such as microprocessor, motherboard chipset, graphic processor, embedded system. Okay, first microprocessor. A microprocessor is a computer processor which incorporates the function of a CPU on a single integrated circuit. The microprocessor is a multi-purpose clock-driven, register-based digital integrated circuit which accepts binary data as an input, process it according to instructions stored in its memory, and provides result as output. That's an example for microprocessor. Okay, next we're going to motherboard. Motherboard is main printed circuit board, PCB found in general purpose microcomputers and other expandable systems. It holds and allows communication between many of the crucial electronic components of a system, such as the CPU and memory, and provides connectors for other peripherals. Example for the motherboard for AMD. Next, we're going to graphic processor. Graphic processor is a specialized electronic circuit designed to rapidly manipulate and alter memory to accelerate the creation of image in a frame buffer intended for output to a display device. That's a product of graphic processor for AMD. Let's go. And next, we're going to embedded system. Embedded system is a computer system with a dedicated function within a larger mechanical or electrical system. Often with a real-time computing constraint, it is embedded as a part of a complete device, often including hardware and mechanical parts. Embedded system control many devices in common use today. Embedded Radeon E9170, product of AMD.
Okay, next, we're going to future of AMD. An important of AMD processor is advanced clock calibration with the internal setting of the computer by allowing individual setting of the core and the CPU. AMD overdrive allow for the real-time adjustment in system. Another important features of AMD is AMD visualization, which known as the visual extension of AMD 86-bit processor. Okay. AMD is cool and quiet is another promising feature of AMD processor, which allow for low voltage and power utilization and ensures low temperature of the PC. Next, AMD also include enhanced virus protection. Is also an interesting feature of today AMD processing, which prevent the buffer overloading and attack of malicious virus.